Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you guys how I did this lovely crochet hairstyle. This is actually the end of 3 weeks of me having it, like what you're seeing here right now. It's 3 weeks in, but let's get into it and let me show you. By the way, if you hear any noise, I have my little sisters staying here right now and they're driving me crazy and they're noisy. So please pardon any noise that you might hear. So this is the the braiding method that I had. I mean, you can do anything just to make sure that your hair is laid and you're able to crochet on it. And I'm using model. This is the Jumpy One Curl, and it's the 2 times. I guess like they have 2 times the hair in the pack, and it's in color number 1. And this is what the curl looks like. It's very nice. It's very beautiful. I did another crochet hairstyle. I think like 2 months back. I'm going to leave it linked down below, and it's a little bit similar, or the curl pattern is pretty close to each other, but the other hair was from a different brand, and I have to say that I like that hair better than I do the model hair, but this hair also turned out quite beautiful. So you definitely do need a crochet needle since you're doing a crochet hairstyle, and I started in the back, which I usually like to start there, and I usually make sure just to space them out. So this hair is quite smooth, so you definitely need to tie a knot at the end. So I only did like 2 knots, and then I had to tie it again because I realized that the hair was slipping out a little bit, and I'm just going to show you guys in a little while how I was tying it to make sure that it stays secure and that the loop is not coming out. So this is me, and I'll just take a small section and then I just tie it around the crochet that I have done a few times, like 2 or 3 times, just to make sure that it doesn't move. When you're taking out the crochet, just cut them. It's going to open as well, so you don't have to be afraid of that. If you guys want to see in the future how I do that, then let me know in the comment section down below. How is your new year going, guys? I mean, we're still like a few days into the new year. As you can see, as I promised, I'm uploading my second video this year, and today is Saturday. I said I'd be uploading on Saturday. So this is what the hair looks like with just 1 pack in. As you can see, it really does go a long way with just 1 pack in, and I didn't use the whole 2 packs that I had because I had 2 packs of the hair, and I didn't end up using all of it. And this is what it looks like. Oh, sorry, I mean I had 3 packs. I bought 3 packs of the hair. So this is what it looked like with 2 packs in, and then I'm just finishing up by taking some hair from the 3rd pack. So as you can see, the 3rd pack is going to be pretty much almost all of it left out, so you can definitely get away with using just 2 packs, but I just wanted to make sure that I fill up everything and the hair looks as full as I wanted it to be. I didn't do any like knotless crochet in the part area. I just did the same kind of thing that I've been doing all over my head, but because the crochet was so tightly close together, I don't think it showed. It looks pretty natural still, as you can see. So this is what the hair looked like at the end of the day when I finished doing it. It took me about an hour to do this crochet, if you don't count the time it took me to do the flat twist. I think I did like the flat twist in about 15 minutes. As you can see, they were really, crappy flat twist, but this is what the hair looked like. And I forgot to show you guys, like showing you after slaying my face and everything, but this is how much hair I had left over after doing everything. As you can see, the 3rd pack was pretty much almost full because I didn't use a lot of it. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I've been maintaining the hair. I wanted to add this in because a lot of you guys usually ask me how long I had the hair in and how it looked like. So this is 3 weeks after me having the hair in. This is how it looks like, and basically all I do to maintain it is go through it in the morning when I wake up, and I pretty much just play with it and see what I can fix, and if I have any tangles in my head. And if I don't have any tangles, then I basically just continue, and if I have little tangles, then I basically just try to unravel them as slowly as possible without pulling anything. And if the tangles are getting annoying and they're getting too frizzy, then what I basically do is I just take a pair of scissors and I cut the little bit of hanging pieces that is too annoying. But this is pretty much for the hairstyle, guys. Like, I really love it. I've had it in for 4 weeks now. I think I'm going to take it out because I am ready for like a change of hairstyle. You guys know how paranoid I am with hairstyles. I'm always changing them, and in fact I think I kept this in for quite a long time, and I'm quite pleased with the hair. but I definitely like the hair that I used in the crochet video that I uploaded 2 months ago better. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I hope I see you here guys next time. Have a lovely week and weekend, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye.